Welcome to Global Pro English, the podcast where we help you improve your English skills with natural stories and clear conversations.
Today, we are going to fulfill a very special promise. We are going to listen to a natural conversation of Tom and Sarah going to the airport.
This is a perfect story for anyone who wants to practice their English listening, especially if you are planning a trip with your family soon.
We will talk about everything from packing the bags to arriving at the gate. It is going to be a very detailed journey.
That is right, Sarah. We want our listeners to hear the specific words and phrases we use when we travel. Let's start at the very beginning of the morning.
Tom, did you hear the alarm clock? It is 5 o'clock in the morning. We need to wake up and start getting ready for our flight.
I heard it, Sarah. I am awake now. I feel a little bit tired, but I am also very excited about our family vacation.
Me too. We have a long day ahead of us. We need to make sure the kids are awake and that all the suitcases are closed.
I checked the suitcases last night. I think everything is inside, but we should probably check one more time.
That is a good idea. Do you remember where you put the passports and the flight tickets?
I put the passports in my small black bag. I have the tickets on my phone, but I also printed a copy just in case the phone battery dies.
You are very organized, Tom. Printing the tickets is a very smart thing to do. I always worry about technology failing at the airport.
I agree. It is always better to have a physical paper. Now, let's look at the bags. We have 4 large suitcases and 3 small carry-on bags.
Is that too much luggage for 4 people? I hope the suitcases are not too heavy.
I used the luggage scale last night. The blue suitcase is 20 kilograms, and the red one is 19 kilograms. We are under the limit.
That is a relief. I remember last year we had to pay extra money because my bag was too heavy. I do not want that to happen again.
I remember that too. It was very expensive. This time we are very careful. Did you pack the liquids in the correct way?
Yes, I put all the small bottles of shampoo and toothpaste in a clear plastic bag. Each bottle is less than 100 milliliters.
Perfect. That will make the security check much faster. Should I call the taxi now? Our flight is at 10 o'clock, so we should be at the airport by 7 o'clock.
Yes, call the taxi now. It is better to arrive early and wait at the airport than to be late and feel stressed.
I am calling the taxi service now. Hello? Yes, I would like a large car for 4 people and several bags. We are going to the International Airport, Terminal 3. Thank you.
What did they say, Tom? How long will it take for the taxi to arrive?
The driver said he will be here in 15 minutes. We need to move the suitcases to the front door right now.
Okay, I will help you. Let's carry the heavy ones first. I will take the red suitcase and you can take the blue one.
Be careful with your bags, Sarah. These bags are quite large. I will move the blue and the green suitcases together.
I have the kids' backpacks ready too. They have their snacks and some books to read on the airplane.
Great. Traveling with family requires a lot of preparation. Did we turn off all the lights in the house?
I checked the kitchen and the living room. All the lights are off and the windows are closed. Did you turn off the heater?
Yes, the heater is off. I also made sure the back door is locked. We are ready to go.
I hear a car horn outside. I think the taxi is here. Let's grab our jackets and the small bag with the passports.
I have the bag right here. Let's go. It is a beautiful morning for a trip.
Look at the taxi driver. He is helping us put the bags into the trunk of the car. He is very kind.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for helping with the luggage. We are going to Terminal 3, please.
The city is very quiet at this hour. There is not much traffic on the road yet.
That is good. Usually the road to the airport is very crowded. If we leave now, we will arrive exactly on time.
Tom, do you have the address of our hotel for when we land? Sometimes the immigration officers ask for that information.
Yes, I have the hotel reservations saved on my phone and also printed with the tickets. I tried to think of everything.
You really did. I feel much more relaxed now that we are in the car and on our way.
We should talk about what happens when we get to the airport. First, we need to find the check-in desk for our airline.
Right. Our airline is Global Air. We need to look for their logo on the big screens inside the departures hall.
Once we find the desk, we will give them our suitcases. They will weigh them again and put a tag on them.
And then they will give us our boarding passes. Even though we have them on our phones, they often print paper ones for us at the desk.
Exactly. After that, we have to go through the security screening. This is the part that usually takes the most time.
I know. We have to take off our belts and our jackets. We also have to take our laptops and tablets out of our bags.
And don't forget the plastic bag with the liquids. That needs to go in a separate tray.
I always feel a bit nervous at security.
Even though I know I am not doing anything wrong, it is just a very serious process.
It is just for safety, Sarah. The officers are just doing their jobs. We will be through it in no time.
After security, we will be in the departures lounge. That is my favorite part because there are many shops and cafes.
We can buy some water and maybe a coffee while we wait for our gate number to appear on the screen.
We should also check the gate number frequently. Sometimes the gate changes at the last minute.
That happened to my brother last month. He was waiting at gate 10, but the flight moved to gate 55 on the other side of the airport. He almost missed his flight.
That would be terrible. We will stay close to the information screen so we don't miss any updates.
Look, we are arriving at the airport now. Look at all the airplanes taking off and landing.
It is so big. Terminal 3 is the next one. The driver is pulling over at the departures entrance.
Thank you, driver. Here is your payment. Have a good day.
Okay, Tom, grab a luggage trolley. We need it for these 4 big suitcases.
I found one. Let's load the bags onto the trolley. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Let's head inside.
Wow, it is very busy in here. There are so many people from all over the world.
I see the big screen over there. Let's look for our flight. Flight GA789 to London.
There it is. It says check-in open, desks 40 to 45. We need to go that way, to the right.
There is a line of people, but it is not too long. We can wait here.
While we wait in line, let's make sure we have our passports ready. It makes the process go faster for everyone.
I have them right here in my hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4 passports.
It is our turn now. Let's move to desk 42.
Hello, we are checking in for the flight to London. Here are our passports and the booking reference.
The lady at the desk is very nice. She is asking us to put the suitcases on the conveyor belt one by one.
I will lift them up. Here's the first one. It weighs exactly 20 kilograms.
And here's the second one, 19.5 kilograms. Perfect.
She is printing the tags and putting them on the handles. Now the bags are moving away. We will see them again in London.
She gave us our boarding passes. She said our gate is B12 and boarding starts at 9:15.
Excellent. Now we have 2 hours before boarding. Let's head toward the security gate.
Look at the sign. It says all passengers must have their boarding passes ready for inspection.
I have them. Let's go through this gate. Now we are in the line for the X-ray machines.
Okay, Tom. I will take the kids' bags and put them in the plastic bins. You handle the electronics.
I am taking out my laptop and putting it in a separate bin. I am also putting my watch and my phone in the small tray.
I am taking off my shoes because the officer asked me to. It is a bit cold on the floor.
I am walking through the metal detector now. It didn't beep. I am safe.
I am through too. Now we just need to wait for our bags to come out of the machine.
There is my laptop. And there are the backpacks. We have everything.
That was faster than I expected. Now we are in the duty-free area. It is like a big shopping mall.
Do you want to buy anything? Maybe some chocolate or a magazine for the flight?
I think I will buy a bottle of water. I know it is expensive here, but we cannot bring water through security.
Good idea. I will get a coffee. I still feel a little bit sleepy from waking up at 5. Let's find a place to sit near a screen so we can watch for any changes to gate B12. Here are some comfortable seats. We can see the runway from here. Look at that giant airplane taking off.
It is amazing how such a heavy machine can fly in the air. The kids love watching the planes.
I am looking at the boarding pass again, gate B12. It says it is a 10-minute walk from here.
Then we should start walking in about 30 minutes. That will give us plenty of time to get there without running.
I like your plan. I hate running through the airport. It makes me feel too stressed.
Traveling with family should be a happy experience. It is the start of our vacation.
You are right, Sarah. We are going to have a great time. Did you remember to bring the travel adapter for our electronics?
Yes, it is in my carry-on bag. I also brought the portable charger just in case.
You thought of everything too. We are a great team when it comes to traveling.
We have had a lot of practice over the years. Remember our first trip together? We almost missed the plane because we were looking at the wrong gate.
I remember that. We had to run across the whole airport. I was so embarrassed.
That is why we are so careful now. Experience is a great teacher.
The screen just updated. Flight GA789 is now go to gate. That means we should start walking toward B12.
Okay, let's gather our things. Do we have all the backpacks? Do you have the passports?
Yes, I have the passports and the boarding passes. Let's go.
We are walking past the shops now. The airport is getting even busier.
Here is the sign for the B gates, B1 to B20. We need to go downstairs.
I see the sign for B12. It is right at the end of the hallway.
There are a lot of people waiting at the gate. It looks like the flight is very full.
That is normal for this time of year. Everyone wants to go on vacation.
I see the ground crew getting ready at the desk. They are making an announcement.
They are saying that families with small children can board the plane first. That is us.
That is great news. We can get on the plane and find our seats before it gets too crowded.
Let's get in the line for priority boarding. Do you have the boarding passes ready to be scanned?
Yes, I have them ready. Here we go.
The agent is scanning the passes. Beep, 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 beep. All 4 are good.
Thank you. Now we just walk down this long tunnel, the jet bridge, and we will be on the airplane.
I can see the door of the plane. The flight attendants are standing there to welcome us.
Hello, good morning. We are in row 15, seats A, B, C, and D.
Thank you. Row 15 is just a little bit further back.
Here it is. I will put the small bags in the overhead compartment. Sarah, you can help the kids sit down.
I'm putting the seatbelts on for them. They are so excited to look out the window.
And I am sitting down next to you. We made it, Sarah. We are on the plane and we are ready for our trip.
We really did it. Going to the airport with family can be a lot of work, but we stayed calm and followed our plan.
Now we can just relax for the next few hours while the pilots fly us to our destination.
I'm going to read my book and maybe take a small nap.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Enjoy the flight, Sarah.
You too, Tom. I am glad we are going on this adventure together.
Me too. This was a great conversation to share with our listeners. We covered a lot of important travel English today.
We talked about packing, calling a taxi, checking in, going through security, and boarding the plane.
These are all very common situations that every traveler will experience.
I hope our listeners found this story helpful for their English practice.
Remember, if you want to improve, you should listen to this episode several times to understand all the vocabulary.
That is a great tip. The more you listen, the more natural the English will feel to you.
Thank you for joining us on this trip to the airport.
We look forward to seeing you in the next episode of Global Pro English.
Have a safe journey wherever you are going.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.